The rise of Slaughterbots. Are we on the brink of World War III? Imagine a battlefield where killer drones make life or death decisions with zero human oversight. A terrifying reality that may already be unfolding. As China and other global powers race to perfect autonomous weapons, the age of Slaughterbots, small, AI-driven drones designed to eliminate targets without hesitation, is here. The implications? Unrestrained warfare, mass casualties, and the potential for World War III. This isn't some dystopian sci-fi plot. It's happening now. The unchecked rise of autonomous weapons could reshape global conflict forever, shifting power from human soldiers to machines with no morality, no conscience, and no mercy. But should we allow AI to dictate war? What are the ethical and strategic risks? The stakes couldn't be higher. Stay with us as we expose the chilling reality of Slaughterbots, their role in modern warfare, and what this means for the future of humanity. The time to question, regulate, and act is now. Slaughterbots are a new breed of autonomous drones designed to identify and eliminate targets without human oversight. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, these machines can process vast amounts of data in real time, making them capable of executing complex military operations with precision. China has made significant strides in AI and robotics, investing heavily in developing these technologies for military applications. Their advancements include sophisticated algorithms that enhance decision-making and targeting accuracy, positioning them at the forefront of this new arms race. The potential for Slaughterbots to change the landscape of warfare is immense. They could enable rapid, large-scale attacks while minimizing human involvement. This shift raises critical questions about accountability, ethics, and the future of combat. As nations explore the deployment of such technologies, the implications for global security and the nature of warfare itself cannot be overstated. China's military strategy increasingly emphasizes technological superiority as a cornerstone of its defense and offensive capabilities. By integrating advanced technologies like Slaughterbots into its arsenal, China aims to enhance its operational effectiveness while reducing reliance on human soldiers. This shift not only reflects a commitment to modernizing its military, but also poses significant implications for the global military balance. The deployment of Slaughterbots could enable China to conduct precision strikes with minimal risk to its personnel, potentially altering the dynamics of conflict scenarios. In a future confrontation, these autonomous systems could be used for rapid, coordinated attacks, overwhelming adversaries before they can respond effectively. As nations grapple with the rise of such technologies, the potential for an arms race looms large, raising urgent questions about deterrence, escalation, and the ethical ramifications of automated warfare on the global stage. The use of Slaughterbots in warfare raises profound ethical dilemmas that challenge our understanding of morality in combat. Autonomous weapons operate without human judgment, leading to questions about accountability when mistakes occur or innocent lives are lost. The potential for these machines to make life and death decisions creates a chilling scenario where human oversight is diminished. International laws and regulations, such as the Geneva Conventions, struggle to keep pace with these technological advancements, leaving gaps in legal frameworks that govern warfare. As nations develop and deploy Slaughterbots, it is crucial for viewers to reflect on the human cost of such technologies. The implications extend beyond the battlefield, affecting civilian populations and global stability. By engaging in this conversation, we can better understand the moral responsibilities that come with innovation and the urgent need for regulations that prioritize human dignity and ethical considerations in warfare. As tensions rise globally, several flashpoints could ignite a conflict involving China, particularly in regions like the South China Sea or Taiwan. In these scenarios, the deployment of Slaughterbots could dramatically escalate hostilities. Imagine a situation where a minor skirmish leads to the rapid deployment of autonomous drones, each programmed to target perceived threats without human intervention. This could result in unintended casualties and a swift escalation of military responses from other nations. The speed and efficiency of Slaughterbots might tempt countries to act aggressively, fearing they could be outmatched. Hypothetical outcomes of such scenarios could range from localized conflicts spiraling into full-scale war to a breakdown of international diplomacy, as nations grapple with the implications of autonomous warfare. Engaging with these possibilities highlights the urgent need for dialogue and regulation to prevent a future where machines dictate the course of human conflict. In response to the emerging threat of Slaughterbots, nations like the United States and its allies are ramping up both military and diplomatic efforts. The U.S. has initiated discussions on developing countermeasures and enhancing its own autonomous capabilities to maintain a strategic edge. Additionally, several countries are forming coalitions aimed at regulating or banning the use of autonomous weapons in warfare. These alliances reflect a growing consensus on the need for international norms governing such technologies. Public opinion is also shifting, with increasing activism against the deployment of Slaughterbots. Advocacy groups are raising awareness about the ethical implications and potential dangers of autonomous warfare, urging governments to prioritize human oversight in military operations. This combination of military readiness, diplomatic engagement, and grassroots activism underscores the global recognition of the risks posed by Slaughterbots and the urgent need for a coordinated response to ensure a safer future. The rise of Slaughterbots presents a stark reality for the future of warfare and global security. From their potential role in World War III to the ethical dilemmas they raise, these autonomous weapons demand our attention. As nations and activists grapple with the implications, staying informed is more important than ever. What are your thoughts on AI-driven warfare? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your perspective. If you found this discussion insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into emerging technologies and their impact on the world. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next thought-provoking video. Spread awareness. Share this video with friends, colleagues, or anyone who should be part of this conversation. Technology should serve humanity, not threaten it. Let's work together to ensure a future where innovation prioritizes ethics and security. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crucial discussions.